Hi everyone. So today I'm checking this new app. This is shared with me with my mentor. This is loom.com canvas. So you can see this one. Let me see, highlight this one. There, this is how you gonna, if you are wondering what is the URL of the app or the program that you're using, just go to your left side to the browser and highlight that one and it will come out the URL. Okay, so now I can hide that one back in. So this is it, guys. Okay, just highlight that one and it will show to you the URL that you are using. So this is Regina. I'm a digital business owner and some skills and knowledge of how to earn income in digital business by learning digital skills. So I am also starting to just play around with the app, especially with the Loom. This is my first time I'm using loom.com and I actually find it easy and fun to use. So I decided to take a recording my work now as a self-employed. There's a lot to learn in digital and there's a lot of AI app and a lot of recording app as well. So honestly, if you want to really get into it, it's overwhelming. So that is very important now that I really insist that hire a mentor, hire someone like me because it will help you learn an easier path and it will also help you and get into and only invest to the tools that really works and tools that's already tested. So I'm testing a new app today and so I'm going to share this one with you. So today I'm gonna also wanna take advantage of using this trial thing of the app. So I'm gonna make myself smaller now so that I can maximize my space there. And I'm gonna share with you. This is CapCut. Yeah, cases. So today I wanna share a quick. I wanna create a quick video. So I'm gonna share. We're gonna start with create, and we're going to download. Okay. So we're gonna download it to. Okay, so we're gonna download this video here. I have done something here. I think this is this one here, and also this one. These two. Okay, we're gonna open that up and we're gonna add. So now I just downloaded them so we can work on it. We just press the plus that it will bring us to our work area. So this is our work area here. Just make that smaller so you can see more. Okay. So right now we have one picture in here and then the video. This is an image and the video that we add. So let me just hear what I am saying in here. Everyone, so this is the last of the kohlrabi and carrot pancake that we did this was since last summer. Okay, so we just gonna listen to it and then we're going to edit this. So that is nice and short, right? So now we have this video. What I want to show you now is I can just delete that one. We can delete that image there. So we can start with that. So first thing we have to do, I want to show you how to add text in here. So to the left, we're going to go to the top there and look for the text. So in the text, I love that they have so many choices. You can choose to text effects and then you can have that choices there. Let's get try this one. You just click it and something will come out on that stuff that you click and then you can add text on it. Okay. Just click that one there and then you can add that is a text nice and you can add the text here to the right. Just delete the default and then just set it this fried fun carrots and kohlrabi. That and then you can see that my words is too big so you can just get to the corner there and you can make it smaller, right? Smaller there. So it's hard to read. So we're gonna make it just click here to the right with the text and click open so that we can have enough space and then they have the bigger space there. Okay, so that's bigger space in there, right there. So you can get just to the center here, a little bit higher, so it's eye level. Okay, so now this is 9 by 16, and the ratio is right here to the middle. Just click on the ratio and you can choose 16 by 9 for the picture, 16 by 9 for the picture. So because our picture is, we started with 9 by 16, then we can just drag it to fit it to our screen, right? That's fit to our screen so big, right? So yeah, so we're gonna go back to 9 by 16, so that it's not too big, too huge. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna go back to our, gonna bring it back smaller. Okay, just going back to its original size there. Okay, so that's it there. So that is how you do text. And there's also text trending too, that you don't even have to go for it. You can choose. This one is also a nice one when they have trending manuscripts. Okay, classic, I think it's the classics. Text effects, text template. We're gonna go text template, where you can have a lot of this. Okay, we're gonna delete this one, and you can just add that, and then let's go and see the text template here. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to trending. This is a good one. So we're gonna put that in plus. Just go plus to it. So we're gonna change less what is said. Amor, love it, love it, love it. Love the fun fried. Fun fried. Oh, crispy. Let's just put some crispy pan fried. Okay, just nice. Okay, so now let's see how it ran. One, so this is the last of the, you know, level that. Okay, so we just, okay. There's only set for about 3 seconds of that. So if you want to extend that, you can extend it a little bit so that it looks nicer. Okay, so just extend our, so just below, I'm just extending our text. You can just go all the way so that it will be all the way up there, or you can just make it smaller. And then I can just also copy this one, just copy it so that we can double up by the end of the video. So now I got that there. So we're just gonna line it up. So you will see that there is an end. We just have to line it up so that when our video finish, they will exactly be lined up. It's not lined up. Let's say you put this one here, then our video will finish and it doesn't have a name on it, right? So always kind of line up to the end so that they will both finish on, they will line up together. That the text and the picture image can line up. Okay, now what the next thing we have to do in here is to add captions. So to the left, there's on the top, there's a caption, and you can use a caption with emoji. Let's use that, and then identify filler words so that we can easily delete extra wordings. And so just gonna press generate, and that will give us the captions. So this is a simple way of showing to you almost everything you need to know in creating a small and simple, easy video on personalizing your videos as well. Okay, so that's it. So now let's see the generate is there. Now let's go to the right and we can see that pillar word, pause, seconds. Now we can remove that automatically. Okay, so but before we do that, let's go and listen to the text if the text has done it correctly, because sometimes there's a wrong spelling, especially with me. I have a tone, so sometimes it's hard for it to exactly transcribe what I'm saying. So this is kohlrabi. Okay, adjust that. One, so this is the last of the kohlrabi and carrot pancake that we did this was since last summer. So I just put them in the freezer. Now this is it. This is the last few bits. Just frying them now. This will be my dinner. Dinner time. It looks, yeah, gorgeous, right? Yeah, so or sometimes I also double say my words. So sometimes the words are being repeated. So I'm gonna show you where to delete it. All you have to do basically is these are free. So like this one, I have these are pre from the garden. So I repeat my pre so I can highlight that pre there and you can remove that, remove it. Okay. So this was nice since last summer. This is okay. Let me just do that again. Everyone, this is summer suggest. This is my dinner. Okay, I want to just go back again to just make sure we're doing right. Okay, so this is it. Okay, there's so much repeat on there as well. Okay, okay. So let's go to everyone. Okay, this is summer, so just press this. Okay, this is the last few bits. Just tying them now with the dinner. So I repeat my word dinner time again. So I'm just gonna delete one more dinner out. So these are free and there's another free word in here. So it's okay. Sometimes that's what it is. It's gonna repeat it. So you just have to delete it from here. Okay, so that's we're deleting that. Flower cornstarch are together. Like there you go, guys. Okay, I can get rid crispiness like that. I will give them that crispiness that I like. There you go, guys. Okay, so that's very simple and very short video today. But now I'm gonna show you to put this one. So I always like my wording a little bit level to the eye, so that's easy for people to see it and read it. So this is the last of. Okay, so now I have two words colliding there. So once in the below and sub. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take away those to delete the extra text so that it doesn't look messy. Just clean it up. Just highlight the text and then delete, highlight and delete. Okay. So I wanna keep this two so that I wanna keep that and I also wanna keep this one. So I'm just gonna bring that one up a bit and then just this one here. Okay, so now that's it. That is our completed video. Now you're gonna, to the top here at the center, this is how you can change your title. Just make sure it's in order to title just, okay, so let's title change that one. Pan fried, pan fried carrots and kohlrabi. Okay, that's it. Then enter that. So that is how we name it. Now you can add audio here. We can have change audio for AI music. I always use AI music so that I don't have to get copyrighted. And I'm just changing to my pre-saved AI music. Okay. Just gonna go something nice. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get that. So now it get added to where my bar is. So I'm just gonna move my bar to the way to the very end so that my music will be over there. And then you can just shorten your music in line to your to the last video, to the end of the video. There you go. And so that we can also teach you how to adjust this volume because it's too loud, right? So now the volume is, make sure that it's highlighted and then just go to the right here and then you can say volume basic. You just have to drag it to the negative side. Okay, now we're using maybe 12, 15. Yeah, that's good. Since last summer, so I just put them in the freezer. Now this is it. This is the last few bits. Just frying them now. This will be my dinner. Dinner time. It looks gorgeous, right? So these are free. Free from the garden. I think that's good. All right. So you can see that my wording's overly using too much in there. So we're gonna just delete that one there. Let me see that again. And I just put flour and cornstarch there. Okay. So my texts are too small. It's only on 10. So we want to increase the text to about 16 so it's easier to read. Everyone, so this is the last of the kohlrabi and carrot pancake that we did this was since last summer. So I just put them in the freezer. Now this is it. This is the last few bits. Okay. So that text, you can also still improve the text. There's still on the right here. You can change the template. You can make this one or this one here. So this one here. So this, let's see how this gonna look like that. Okay. So but or something like this one. Let me check this one. Let me see how it looks like with this other one. Yeah, it's not reading. So I'm gonna go to the basic. I usually just choose the basic because I find the basic actually easier to read for people and also so simple too, right? So I'm gonna go to the basic to that, and sometimes they have some text. Let's go to the text, basic text, scaled. Okay, we can get rid of the templates. We're gonna just go for zero templates on zero, and we're just gonna go to basic, and I'm okay to put this one to 16 so that people can read it easier. Okay, and there's also some simple basic changes here too. You can also just do this one. I like this one actually because it's easier for them to read my text. So I like that one. So this is it. So in this video, I have taught you how to upload your video from your files. I have shown you how to add captions to and how to generate the captions and how to edit the text once you have it. I have shown you how to add text that has already pre-made, the pre-made text that is already done for you, which we use this one, already done for you. And also I have shown you as well to how to add some text in here that is already with the text effects. And then I show you how to edit the text that is generated text for you. So like gonna raise this one up. So these are the generated image, the one, the captions. Just gonna raise our thing so I can show you where you go for adding up. So these are the captions that we create, that AI created for us. And I have shown you how to edit this one to make it bigger or make it lesser. And I also show you the templates that you can choose to make your text more interesting, right? So that to make your text more interesting, I have shown you that, how to do that. Okay, so that's good. So now we're gonna download it. So to download this one, we just gonna go to export and download it. But before we do that, I wanna add a cover page. So let's go back to our work area here and click for the edit to cover to the left to the bottom. And we can go and just choose this one. Yeah, that is good enough for me. Okay, so I can have that as a cover page. Go guys, and I hope that is how you do it. Okay, thank you everyone.